So this is my compost. I just want to explain and show you, because the quality is really really good. I mean, you know, it's not me that does it, it's the bacteria and the insects, obviously, but I'm feeding them the right stuff, obviously, because look at that friable, dry, not sticky, just good quality compost. So that has come out of here, bay 3 as I would call it. There's a good amount there, and all I do is use this tool. I have no idea what it's called. If you know, let me know. It's like a bent pitchfork, but it works brilliantly. And I just gently, I'm doing this with one hand, so that's not great, but I just basically rake off, I don't know, 1 inch, 2 inches at a time. Yeah, and I bring it forward until it's heaped up, and then I shovel it out using my little Irish spade, I guess it's called, I don't know, Irish shovel, short-handled one. Okay, so this is the bay I was filling last summer, last autumn, even to probably to Christmas. It's now March, and you can see that's already beginning to compost down. It's just in a timber-lined compost area. There's 3 bays. So this I'll be using at the same time next year, March. And then this is the one I'll be filling this summer and the whole of this year up until, well, probably after Christmas, February, something like that. So it's got grass cuttings. It has a lot of grass cuttings, but I also, when I prune the apples, which are there, when I prune those, I put them through the Bosch chipper, and I'll try and insert a video of that if I can. From the trees, put them all in the barrow facing the same way, get a bundle, chuck them in my beat up old shredder chipper, and it spits them out in nice little compostable chunks underneath. And I put that in amongst the compost. So all the prunings, as you can see from this one, all the prunings, anything that will compost down over 2 or 3 years, I put on there, even if it's a bit woody, because if it doesn't compost down, you just pull it out. It doesn't matter. I mean, I'm not talking branches, I'm talking sticks. And then you're left with this after 3 years. And I have not turned these bays. A lot of people make a lot of song and dance about turning your compost and aerating your compost, and I have been a gardener, a professional gardener, for over 30 years, and I have learned from head gardeners, 3 head gardeners who had many years prior to me, you know, probably 30-40 years, and they all said the same thing: not too much air, keep the moisture in. Well, the timber does that, and that's what you're left with. And I haven't turned it. All I've done is used a mixture of stuff, so chipped, like I say, chipped apple prunings, green stuff, herbaceous stuff that's pruned off, grass cuttings, that kind of thing, food waste, you know, within limits, obviously, and that's what you get after 3 years. I just wanted to show you. I'm not trying to be a smart aleck, you know, or say I'm the best at making compost, but this is a simple, easy way of doing it. As long as you got a space, it doesn't have to be as big as this, but a space for 3 bays, for 1 bay for each year, you will get nice compost, provided you mix it up a bit in that what you put on there. You mix up. You don't actually have to mix it or turn it. I hope that helps. It simplifies it for you. I don't know. Let me know in the comments if you think any different. Anyway, cheers for watching. Happy gardening. Just so you see, this is it on the bed, on the veg patch. There's the rest of the veg patch there. Still got to mulch these beds, but this is the asparagus one, so I'm going to give it quite a lot, probably 3-4 inches of mulch. I use the no dig technique, by the way. And then this is how it looks when it's been spread. Not bad stuff, eh? Now for this bit.